Okay, before we start anything, we gotta do a cold start. What is up, guys? It's Michelle, and today we are going to be driving a Lamborghini Urus S. Well, some people say the Urus. It's actually correctly pronounced the Urus, and I will tell you guys how I know that later on in this video. But today we're going to be going over how this car feels to drive. If you guys want a full review on the entire car, including its specs, interior and exterior review, that is a completely separate video on my channel that is already posted, so go ahead and check that out when you're done watching this. But now let's get into it. Okay, so right now we are in Strada, and this is essentially the comfort mode of this car, but to be honest, there is never going to be a comfort mode in a Lamborghini. And this Urus S completely defines that in every way possible. I mean, even just looking at this car, you can tell that this is not a regular SUV. This is not regular traffic. Something really cool about this Urus in particular is that this is a 60th anniversary edition. So what that means is that it has specialized badging. It's basically to commemorate the 60 years that Lamborghini has been alive, I think since 1963. But it doesn't affect the way it drives. Really, it's just cosmetic. So everything that you're about to experience goes for every single Urus S. Oh my god, dude, it is crazy how quick this car picks up. And we are in Strada. We are in Strada, guys. Oh my gosh, this car is absolutely crazy. Okay guys, so I have to admit, I'm very biased. I am super biased to the Urus because I have driven a Urus before. Typically when I do these reviews for you guys, I'm giving you guys a first-hand glimpse of how it feels, just my raw reactions. But I've driven a Urus before, but it was the Urus SE. So this is a V8 bi-turbo that produces over 700 horsepower, but it has an electric motor attached to the transmission. So that car and this car are honestly very different, and it's because of that reason. So it's a mild hybrid. It literally has regenerative braking in that. You know, you can charge it if you want, but you don't even have to charge it if you never even want to. But it makes over 100 horsepower more than this car, the Urus S. But it is still a Urus at the end of the day, and the reason why I'm so biased is because I absolutely love the Urus S. People constantly ask me in my videos, which car is your favorite? You know, I've done so many crazy cars on this channel. Like, if you guys look through my channel, if you're new here, you will see that I've done quite a good variety of cars. But in my comments, when people ask me what is your favorite, I typically always say the Urus or the GT4 RS. And what's great about the Urus that I got to review is that it was actually an official partnership with Lamborghini. So they gave me a press car to have for the day, and that was so amazing to drive. And I actually got to speak with a Lamborghini factory driver. That's basically someone who races for Lamborghini for a living. He got to give me, you know, a first-hand view of the Urus SE. I actually have two completely separate videos on my channel covering that experience. I have one for the review, and I have one that's strictly just for driving. Highly recommend you guys check out those two videos if you're really wanting to know more about the Urus SE and how it compares to the Urus S. Oh my gosh, dude. This car is insane. Let's do now a pull in sport. Oh my gosh. Did you guys hear those pops? Oh my gosh. You see, guys, this is why the Urus is my favorite car. There is no other SUV on the planet that compares to this. And no, although I've partnered with Lamborghini officially, I'm not being paid to say this, I promise you guys. This car is just absurd. It is just so beautiful. It's impeccable. Its sound, its power, its design, its feel, everything. Now I'm gonna go into a parking deck. I'm gonna lower the windows a little bit so you guys can see how this car truly sounds. And we are in sport. Like, I literally was just taking my foot off the gas a little bit. You guys hear those pops? Let's lower it all the way. Oh, guys, I mean, I think Lamborghini has probably got to be one of my favorite brands ever. One of my favorite automotive makers. Oh my gosh. Oh, this car is just insane. So I would say the Urus SE is a slight bit less loud. It's just a little bit quieter, but it still sounds amazing. It could be because I'm in a parking deck. You guys can, determine for yourself if you watch my other video with the Urus SE. Okay, now let's do a poll in Corsa. So Corsa is basically the track mode. It is the top mode of Lamborghini, and it actually literally means track. Oh my gosh. I mean, I just gave it some slight little presses on the gas right there, but this thing, the torque, maxed out. Horsepower, maxed out. Like, it is just instant, and it is just absolutely stunning response from the vehicle. Also, little game for you guys in the comments. Whoever can guess first what Lamborghini, the brand, originated making, I will pin you. I will pin your comment if you can guess first what was the first ever thing that Lamborghini ever made when the brand first started. I think not enough people know about that, which I find it hilarious. So whoever gets it right first and with the exact year, I will pin your comment. Oh my gosh. The thing about Lamborghini is that whatever they do it well. And if they're gonna make an SUV, which is their only SUV like this, they're gonna make it well. Oh, this car is so much fun. I think the difference of if you want to choose the Urus S or the SE is that if you want that little bit of electric power, because that adds an extra about 70 to 100 horsepower, I believe. And that completely changes the car, adding another 100 horsepower. It's already incredible. It already has so much power. So adding that little bit of power from the electric generator actually makes a big difference. So another really cool car that I've had on my channel is the GT4 RS. You guys are probably thinking, why in the world am I comparing an Urus S to a GT4 RS? I mean, that is literally a two-seater sport oriented to the max car. Well, it's because this car is literally just as fun to drive. And you can fit 3 people in the back for a total of 5 people in the car. And when you think about it, if a car this big is as fun as a car that small, that makes this the perfect car for road trips or hitting back roads. Literally perfect for just one person or the entire family. And I think that is truly the appeal of the Urus. I mean, S or SE, electric generator or no electric generator, this 4-liter V8 bi-turbo is just, oh my gosh, it is just insane. The sound is absolutely impeccable. Even if you just have it in Strada, I mean, this thing is just impeccable. There is a reason why Lamborghini is such an icon in the automotive world. And honestly, it's one of my favorite brands. So that may be another reason why I'm so biased, but there's a reason it's my favorite brand. It's just everything they do it so well. And also being able to work with Lamborghini directly for my Urus SE videos, I mean, that was such an experience. Everyone, super amazing. What an amazing company, seriously. I mean, they deserve all the recognition that they get. And there's a reason why so many people's dream cars is a Lamborghini, and I totally understand the hype. I hope that one day you can understand the hype, because being able to drive a car like this and experience it, and even if you're not able to drive it, just being able to hear it, oh my gosh, music to my ears. Seriously, what a pleasure. And also, this car is basically a driver's focused car. If you love cars, if you love driving, this is the SUV for you. I know a lot of people don't like to drive SUVs because they feel like all that weight, it takes away from the fun of the car. But this one, there is no compromise here, seriously. You can have just as much fun in this car as you would in a GT4 RS or other vehicles like that. I'm just speaking from experience. But seriously, there's a reason why this car is so amazing. It's because you can have fun with it without the compromise. If you want space, you want to carry luggage, you want to carry your kids, your family, there is no compromise here. You can do all of that and more in the Urus. If you guys enjoyed this video at all, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe so you don't miss out on more fun videos like this. But most of all, I ask that you guys please follow God, follow your heart, do what's good in this world, and be the good in this world, because I promise you, if you do those things, good is going to come right back to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.